Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I'm excited for today's video, guys, because it's officially mermaid season. Like, it's summer. Like, I know we got a couple more days in May, but June is officially like summer, and I'm really happy because June's my birthday month as well. But I wanted to come to you guys today and just make sure you guys are ready for mermaid season 2018, okay? Especially when it comes to the tools you use to put your makeup on your face. So I have a couple of brushes that I want to share with you from MODABrush.com. Now, these can be picked up at MODABrush.com, or they can be found at Walmart or Walmart.com. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? These beautiful things right here. I've got a couple more to show you, but I'm like, I have to get you guys all ready for summer 2018 when it comes to your brushes, because your brushes have to be fly too. They don't have to be boring brown handles, black handles. You can have some bomb handles, and even though you've got some bomb handles and your brushes are pretty, they have to perform as well. So that's one of the main things that I want to share with you today with these brushes from MODA. MODA has some amazing quality brushes. They're not ones that are gonna fag, fall apart, that type of situation. The brushes are uber soft and they're all 100% vegan and cruelty free. So I want to start off with these ones right here. These are the first ones. These are the trendy type of, you know, toothbrush brushes, if that makes sense. So this is the MODA Prismatic 4-piece face perfecting kit, and I wanted to show you this one first. I'm gonna take them out of the packaging so you can exactly see what they look like up close and personal. But I like these ones because they really get the job done really quickly, especially if you wear glasses. With these ones, I think it's a little bit more easier to really get really close, really in, because it's not pointing at you, it's pointing sideways, so you can really get in and get in the details that you need. Now, these are excellent for blending. The handle is waterproof. The fibers on these brushes are really dense, really nice fibers, and if you see like the glow and the prismatic effect of the colors going on with these handles, oh my goodness, you're gonna have such a good time blending out your makeup with this one. So yeah, these are some unique complexion brushes that you definitely need to have in your personal collection. The next one I want to share with you is from the MODA MYTHICAL line, and this one is the Sweet Siren travel kit, and this one is just super duper gorgeous. I love this 6-piece brush set. This one has everything from your powder brush straight up to your crease blending brush. So we've got a lot of brushes in here to work with. Great for travel. Like I said, this does come with a little case, so you can just throw the brushes inside it and be on your way. The brush handles are not that long, so they don't take up a lot of room in your makeup bag, so that's always great. But yeah, this 6-piece set is again 100% vegan, and they are amazing. They're really soft. They get the job done. They feel really good on your hands, and they look good as they're putting on the makeup. Now, I like the fact that they tipped these brushes in that dark purple. Purple is my favorite color, by the way. So what I love about that is the fact that it won't, like, your brushes won't get stained. So that's another thing. These clean really easily, so I love this set. The next set of brushes I have for you is another one from the MODA Prismatic line. It's out of its casing, but it is the 2-piece precision powder kit. This is the box. It's outside of the box because I used it today. I have these two right here that, yeah, I use them. It's fine. I am obsessed with these. These are the newest additions to the MODA Prismatic line, and I'm obsessed with them because of their shape. They're that toothbrushes type of feel, the paddle brush kind of feel, but they're slanted. It's like somebody took the paddle brush and just cut it like diagonally, like this way. Like, it's the best thing ever. Love these. They're dense enough that they pick up a lot of product and they smooth everything out. So far I've only been using these for powdering. So I've been using this shorter one to go under my eyes with setting powder, which it is amazing for. I've also used it to add blush. I've used it to add my bronzer, contour. This one is a little more versatile than this one because this one is huge. Like, it fits directly in the middle of my hand. Do you see there? It is big. It covers a lot of surface area in a really quick amount of time. So if you have a powder foundation and you want it on really quickly, literally just press this into it and rub it in a little bit and then just go over your face. Like, it's awesome. This is amazing. I love the cut of it because it's curved to a point. Like, it's like they cut it and then they flattened it just a little bit, so it really gets in there and under places that you need it to be. And this is amazing. Like, I love this precision kit. And the last one I want to share with you guys is this set right here. This is the MODA Mythical. This is their 6-piece splash travel kit, and this one is definitely what mermaid dreams are made of, you guys. This one is for that girly girl mermaid, that really, you know, like Ariel on 10, like, you know what I mean? So this is a beautiful, like a teal and pink type of situation. Like, it's a beautiful set, you guys. Again, this one comes with a carrying case as well. It's travel friendly. You can, the brushes are short enough that you can carry them around. They're not teeny tiny, but they're a good length, you guys. They're really functional brushes. They're super soft, and they also get the job done as well. I need you guys, if you don't pick up any more, like, get this one. It's beautiful. It's going to look gorgeous displayed on your vanity. Like, they're all gonna look really, really pretty displayed on your vanity. Let me know which one that I showed you today is definitely your favorite in the comment section, but I think this one is my favorite. It's super pretty, guys. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed. Listen, go out and grab yourself these MODA brushes, these MODA Prismatic and these MODA Mythical brushes. Now, the MODA line does have other brushes, but I think these ones are totally better for summer. Don't you agree? So if you can't get out to Walmart, go ahead and click the links down in the description box. I'm going to link in the description everything that I showed you guys today so that you can grab these and have these in time for the summer months. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I will see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye, guys.